So hello guys, welcome to my tutorial video, and we're gonna discuss of how do you maintain your backups. So why do we maintain your backups? So what is the benefits of it? So the benefits of it is if ever you have lost the file or is you just accidentally delete the file, you can use your backups like Google Drive, like here, and etc. So the first step is like like in here I choose here. So the first step is, as you can see, I'm using Google Drive. So in the first step, in the first step is you choose cloud services or external like USB and other. So in the tutorial, I'm gonna show you here the drag and drop and maintain backups. So so as you can see in the first step, I you decide whether you're gonna use the cloud. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the Google Drive. So I'm gonna show you here a Google Drive tutorial. So if you want, so after you decide, so let's see if you so in the right answer. My example here is the first step is so I'm gonna the first step is I choose the Google Drive. Then the second step is uh so the second step is you identify the critical data to backup. So which means to determine which files and folders you need to backup. Like um I choose to maintain my projects I don't know presentation. Right? So the Drive will create for you a folder. So in here, it says drive files here, drag, drag files here. So I'm gonna choose a folder. So you know, you upload the file for my presentation. For example, here, and let's say that. So in this situation here, it's very so identifying critical data to backup. Like determine which files and folders you need to back up. For example, like document, photos, and for videos and music. So maintaining a several backup versions to protect against corruptions. Yeah, and and like this also, so you can see it's finished. So, but and that now this the third step is to the third step is to regular backups. Like if you want to, if you for example like you have a project like making games in Python like that, and you send it here in a Google Drive. Then you're gonna send it here in the Google Drive, and you you maintain leave drag and drop in here, and you're gonna maintain and drag and drop the your game in here, and or weekly or monthly. So that kind of question. So and the troubleshooting tips. Troubleshooting tips. If the backup process file is slow, you need to check for hardware. So hardware issues, and ensure of efficient storage. So I'm gonna give you an example. Uh, I'm gonna give you here an example. I'll give you here an example here. So as you can see, storage is full. I cannot, so be aware and you know be aware of this. It's full. And another thing is, if sometimes other Google Cloud services like uh for example a free or not secured cloud services for example, and you cannot store files from a backup, there's another version of the backup or check for software compatibility. So you're gonna check the software compatibility and the update, uh, or update your software, for example. So thank you guys for listening and watching my video of how you maintain your backups.